Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. Hey, my name's Scott and you're at Watches Galore, and today we're going to take a look at the Spinnaker Hull. Yeah, this is beautiful watch, nice chronograph with a gorgeous blue dial. We're going to get into that, but let's check out the specs first. This does have a 42 millimeter case, 15 millimeter thickness, 47 millimeter lug to lug this way, and a 22 millimeter bandwidth. So yeah, hey, this guy is running the Japanese VK73 movement. It's a quartz chronograph movement with a date feature. And it also has a 316L stainless steel case. It does provide some brushing and polishing. So brushing on top of the lugs there and polishing around that outer edge, which is very well done. The bezel is a fixed stainless steel bezel with a nice tachymeter around the outer edge. I like that look. Just looks really nice and clean. And it has a convex domed mineral lens with some AR coating on it. So that is a plus. I like the look of that one. The dial, let's pull a close up here for you. Has a really nice textured dial. I love the looks of this dial. You have the running second hand at the 6 o'clock position. If you can see the 24-hour sub dial at the 3 o'clock position, and at the 9 o'clock position, you have a 60-minute sub dial. Now, Spinnaker has done a really good job on their sandwich dials, even in past watches from before on the channel. But if you can see this, I'm going to try to get a shot there. If you can see the cutouts in the sub dial and the indices through this light reflection, you can tell it is a sub dial. And when I get a Lume shot up for you, which I will throw one up for you right now, and I'm going to cover the whole screen with the Lume dial so you can see it. I believe they're using Super Luminova, and it is bright and beautiful. If you can look closely again between those cutouts on the sub dial, you can see the Lume shining through there, definitely indicating a nice sandwich dial. Real nice job on the Lume, and I just love how they did this and pulled everything together. Very nicely done. It does not have a see-through case back. It has a standard screw-down case back polished with the Spinnaker insignia and logo on the back. Little textured backing there, very nice, and a few specks around the outer edge. This also does come on a leather band. So this came by way of Aron Dunlap with OFD Channel, and he had put this nice stretchy elastic NATO strap on, which is really nice, and it feels good. But you can check out Spinnaker's link. I'll leave a link to their website below in the description. You can check out the leather bands that come with this particular watch. I did want to point out the nice boxed out date window below the 12 o'clock position. Really like that look. And Spinnaker below that with the sub dials all around. Just looks really good. They do have screw down crowns on this guy. They're all screwed down. The center crown has a Spinnaker logo on the end. And if I can back out here, all of the crowns have nice action, very nice action, easy to operate. If you can, we'll start that chronograph for you. Might as well bring it in so you can see it close up. Looks really nice. That lollipop second hand running around. And you can stop it, and it has that quick snapback feature, which you have come to love with the VK73. So let's get a wrist shot of this guy on my 7-inch wrist. All right, guys, there you have it on my 7-inch wrist. Love that textured blue dial. It just looks so good with the polished stainless steel out around the edge, that blue, lighter blue in the middle radiating out to a darker blue, or the dark radiating into the the lighter blue. It just looks really good, and it looks extremely well in sunlight. It's going to cost you about 235 US dollars, so that's not really that bad. Definitely be sure to get on their webpage and check out the other models they have to offer. Hey, that's my short look at the Spinnaker Hull chronograph. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'd appreciate it. And as always, stay well.